Hey guys, it's emeraldpixelgaming here, back with another video. And in today's video, I actually have finally an updated tutorial on how to get Minecraft hacks. Now, I made one of these videos a few months ago actually, and a lot of people wanted me to remake it. I do kind of agree that it was a bit sort of sluggish and not as good. But in today's tutorial we're going to be remaking it, and now it's even been updated for 1.14. So yeah, now the usual disclaimer. If you get banned, it's not my responsibility, you know. So please do keep that in mind. But anyways, let's get on with this tutorial. So there'll be 3 links in the description, one to Worst Client, one to Fabric, and one to Fabric API. First, go ahead and go on the worstclient.net link, and you'll see this. Now, what you want to do is click Download Worst. Now, when you get to this screen, what you want to do is go ahead and scroll down and find whichever version of Worst you want. I recommend 1.14.4, but you can choose whichever you want. And then once you found your version, click on the one on the far left, because that will be the latest version with the most bug fixes. And then all you have to do is click it. And now here you want to scroll down, and if you want, you can have a look at the hacks it has, by the way. So go ahead and scroll down where you see this download section .jar. So what you want to do is click on the top link, and then it will start the download. Now, if you're on Opera or Firefox like me, go ahead and use the Windows sort of window to save it to your desktop. If you're on Chrome, it will just be down here. If you're on Chrome, go ahead and click and drag this to your desktop. So as you can see, it's here. If you're on Firefox, just save it to your desktop. Right, so once you've saved it to your desktop, we've got that. So what we want now is you need this thing called Fabric. Now with Fabric, basically it's kind of like Forge, but almost like, you know, Forge isn't properly out yet. Anyway, so go ahead and click on the second link, and on installation 4, click Vanilla and the version 0.5.0.33, and you can select any of these, but I recommend EXE since it's quicker. Right, so now that you have clicked on the download.exe, go ahead and save that to your desktop as well. And once the Fabric installer is saved, just go ahead and double click it. And if you give it a second, it will open up the Fabric installer itself. So as you can see, now obviously we're not going on a server, but if you are on a server then you'd do that. We're going to go on client, and what you want to do is go ahead and select your version, which would be 1.14.4, and load a version, should be fine as that really, and create profile as well, obviously, so you won't have to do that yourself in the Minecraft launcher. So once you've just checked all of these, click install, and then it will say done. Now you can go ahead and close that. Let's go ahead and quickly test that is working. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Minecraft launcher, and as you guys can see, I am using the brand new launcher. What you want to check here is that you have the profile to be able to go on Fabric, so I'll show you what to do. So here we are on the Minecraft launcher, and as you can see, Fabric loader. If you see that, you're on the right track. What I recommend doing from here is opening the Fabric launcher just to make sure it works. So as you can see, we'll just wait for Minecraft to load up here. So as you guys can see, Minecraft has loaded just fine with Fabric. So all we have to do now is just close that. That was just a test. Now back to your web browser, go ahead and click on the third link in the description, which will take you to the Fabric API. And what you want to do is on this file details, just click download here. And we'll just have to wait a few seconds, and then it will let us download. Right, so now go ahead and save this on your desktop as well. And once that's saved on your desktop, all you want to do is press the Windows key and R at the same time, and in this dialog box type in %appdata% and click on OK, and it will open roaming. Now all you want to do is click .minecraft, which should be at the very top, and there should be a mods folder. So as you can see, I've got a few mods here, but we're going to go ahead and delete these since these are actually old. And in this mods folder, just go ahead and drag Worst Client in, and the Fabric API, both of them. And once you've dragged those in, you can actually delete the Fabric installer, as you can see. And there you go. So now that you've put those in, let's go ahead and launch Minecraft again. and we should have the hack client installed, and always make sure that it's fabric loader. So we're going to go ahead and click play. So as you can see, Minecraft is now launched, and let's go ahead and go into single player world here. I'm just going to go ahead and name it test and create new world. And here we are in a new world. I apologise for the lag, since there are a few things going on in the background of my PC. But yeah, so this is, as you can see, worst in the top left corner. I'm afraid there's no way you can remove that, but it should still be okay, providing that you're not recording. So all you have to do is go ahead and press escape, and we have some worst options here. So we've got X-ray blocks, and this is pretty useful, you know, you just add the block name or ID, and it will show you just these blocks when you have X-ray on. Analytics, I'm not really sure. And here are some links, those are kind of irrelevant in this. So there is a hotkey, which is the right shift key, and it will bring up this menu. And this menu is basically all the hacks. Now, if it's not the right shift key for you, because I may have possibly changed it, try some of the keys like shift, control, alt. I think could possibly be right control as well. I will put the hotkey up on screen now, and as you can see here, these are all the hacks. So let's go ahead and turn on bow aimbot if we can find it. It should be in this version. Aim. So for some reason bow aimbot doesn't seem to be in this one, but let's try. Let's see. X-ray. So as you can see, X-ray shows us all these ores through the wall, and this is pretty cool. As you can see, if you're in survival, you can just straight away mine. You see there's some iron, some coal. You know, it is pretty useful, although this could lower your FPS significantly. I'm going to go ahead and switch this X-ray off now. And yeah, pretty much, as you can see, we've got all the hacks here, including a hack list, which I'm not really sure what this does. But yeah, let's just go ahead and try another one quickly. Let's see. Mob ESP. As you can see, this is basically wall hacking. And yeah, now there's obviously a player ESP as well, and quite self-explanatory that detects players in the game. But yeah, that is how to get Minecraft hacks, the updated tutorial. Sorry for waiting so long to do it. But anyway guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.